Terps are not adjusting to motion. Terps are running straight man-to-man on the far corners, on the far wide receivers. And they're small. I think we can go fly routes and beat them deep like almost every time.